What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead, break it down, share with you guys the 5 growth stocks that I'm extremely bullish on, that I'm going to be buying throughout the month of October. Now, as you guys know, I like to go ahead, share with you guys every single month the stocks I'm buying. So if you like this type of content and you want to know more about my investments and what I like to go ahead and invest in every single month, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. Love talking about the stock market. I invest in stocks. I do invest in cryptocurrency as well as into different businesses. So anything to basically do with making additional passive income. Now, before we go ahead and jump into these, I will tell you guys the stock market is currently in a correction mode. Just in this last week, the market has been down, and September is usually a pretty bad month for the market. But as we go ahead and get into Christmas season, as the retail world starts to go ahead and grow in sales, and as we get into next year with hopefully the Delta variant being gone and the economy boosting back up, I believe the economy is going to do extremely well next year. So I'm taking advantage of this correction, and usually during a correction I do recommend to go ahead and dollar cost average into the stock market, and that's exactly what I'm focused on doing throughout the month of October. But let's go ahead, jump into the first stock. Now, the first stock that I'm buying is actually a new position that I added in my portfolio. This is going to be with Palantir Technologies. Now, here's the thing with Palantir Technologies, this company has brand new contracts that is recently just signed with the government. Plus, guys, this company is focused on getting into the private sector as well. They're working with other companies to make their data more useful. Basically, Palantir takes all your data and they'll go ahead and make your data as useful as possible. So at the end of the day, you see the benefit of using Palantir. I like this company, and I do believe this company still has a long growth potential ahead. This is, in my opinion, a 5 to 10x stock over the next 3 to 5 years. So I'm extremely bullish on this company. This is a brand new position that I just added in my portfolio. And guys, currently Palantir is trading at right around $24 a share. And I do believe that this company, because the revenue is increasing every single quarter, will go up in price. And before the end of this year, I'm bullish on this company, and I believe it will cross $40 a share. So this is going to be the first stock and the newest stock that I added in the portfolio that I'm buying throughout the month of October. Now, the second stock on this list is going to be a stock that I believe still has a lot of growth potential ahead. This is going to be in the semiconductor space. And this is a company that I added in this portfolio just in the last quarter. This is going to be with ASML Holdings, and this company focuses on manufacturing the silicone for other companies to go ahead and make semiconductors. Basically, if you're a company like a Nvidia, or you're a company like Micron or AMD, and you want to go ahead and mass produce chips, this company works with those companies to go ahead and create the silicone so those companies can start producing chips in mass production. So ASML Holdings is the largest manufacturer of semiconductors and semiconductor silicones. So I really like this company because I do believe that semiconductors are here for the long term. We are going to be using chips for the next decade at least. Cars are taking chips. There's a lot of different things that we're going to need chips for. So extremely bullish on this one. And this company is currently trading at $750 a share. Plus, guys, this company also offers a dividend. It's not that high of a dividend, but hey, it's still better than not having a dividend. So you're making some passive income along the ways as well with this company. Now, I am bullish on this one. I do believe that this will go above $1,000 per share for the stock price, and long term I believe this company has 5 to 10x growth potential as well. So that is going to be the second stock I'm going to be investing in throughout the month of October. Now, the third stock is going to be another growth stock as well, and that's going to be with a company that took a bit of a hit, and that's going to be with Lemonade. Now, Lemonade just in this last 6 months really took a hit. As far as when it comes down to insurance, I do still like Lemonade. This is a company that I'm going to go ahead and dollar cost average into because this company took a hit, and I believe this is the best time to go ahead and start investing in dollar cost averaging in this company. Now, the reason why I really like Lemonade is because they make insurance very easy for the user to go ahead and purchase, plus their price is extremely competitive. Now, the big catalyst with Lemonade is there's rumors, and I guess they're no longer rumors. Lemonade is coming out with auto insurance, and auto insurance is the bulk of the business when it comes down to the insurance sector. So I believe if Lemonade can get this correct and be extremely competitive when it comes down to pricing, they will do extremely well. This is a sleeping stock, in my opinion, that has 5 to 10x growth potential. Plus, the other nice thing that I like about Lemonade is their branding. And additionally, they're not just focused on growing in North America. They're also focused on growing in Asia as well as in Europe. So I'm very bullish on this company. I believe this is a sleeping stock that's been sleeping. A lot of people have counted them out, but with their branding, with their competitive pricing, as well as with the different insurance products that they're still looking to introduce, I see a great growth potential for this company. Now, Lemonade is currently trading at $65 a share. In my opinion, this stock, as long as they get their auto insurance pricing correctly, will be over $100 before the end of this year, and another one that's going to be a 5 to 10x growth potential. So that's going to be the third one. Now, jumping into the fourth one. The fourth stock that I'm going to be buying into, again, another growth stock, is going to be in the cryptocurrency space, and this is going to be with Coinbase. Now, here's the thing with Coinbase. Coinbase has been under fire a lot lately because the crypto prices have been dragging, or I should say they've been leveling out. They have not been going up as much as some people predicted, but because we're seeing a correction in the stock market, we tend to see a correction in the cryptocurrency space as well. And usually the crypto space is a bit more volatile as well. But here's the thing, with Coinbase, they went ahead and requested from the SEC if they can go ahead and start paying interest on their stablecoin. But SEC came back and denied that request and started an investigation into Coinbase, which in turn dropped the price of this company. However, I will tell you guys, Coinbase is the easiest platform to go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency with. This is the platform that got me investing in cryptocurrency, and a platform that I usually recommend any new beginner to go ahead and check out if they want to go ahead and dip their toes and diversify in cryptocurrency. I believe Coinbase still has a great growth potential because cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's a brand new asset class that institutions are also investing into, as well as there's a lot of private money coming into cryptocurrency space as well. And with Coinbase, they are the leader in the space when it comes down to private investors and when it comes down to institutions investing with them as well that want to have some exposure to cryptocurrency. So very bullish on this one. This is the fourth stock that I'm going to be adding on to in this portfolio throughout the month of October. And the current price with this stock is sitting at $225. They recently had their IPO this year. The stock was above $300 at one point. So I am definitely going to be dollar cost averaging into, because I do believe the stock will go above $300 before the end of this year. And again, we'll have a 5 to 10x potential over the next 5 years. Now guys, the final stock on this list, and I have to mention this one because I am dollar cost averaging into this one every single day, literally, and that is going to be with Tesla. The focus is to really grow this position even more in my portfolio. I love Tesla, love everything about this company and what this company is doing. Tesla is really focused on getting their gigafactories up and running so they can go ahead and get higher production on their vehicles. If you want to go ahead and buy a Tesla vehicle right now, you're looking at getting it by March or April of next year, and that's depending on the model that you want. Plus, Tesla is also still focused on working on the semi-truck, working on the Cybertruck, working on their Roadster, working on a $25,000 car, and they're really focused on growing in the solar energy space as well. They're focused on working on the Tesla bot, which they recently just introduced, which is basically like a human robot, as well as, guys, they are testing out the beta version of full self-driving. These are just some of the things and some of the catalysts that I can just think of on the top of my head for Tesla. I'm extremely bullish on Tesla. I do own a Tesla as well. I am looking to go ahead and get the beta version of the full self-driving to go ahead and test that out as well. But I believe Tesla's ahead of the curve, and they're at least 3 to 5 years ahead of every other car manufacturer out there when it comes down to full self-driving and when it comes down to just the capability of all the things that Tesla has in the vehicles. So with this stock, they're trading at right around $780 currently. I do believe that this stock will cross $1,000 before the end of this year, and another stock that I believe has 5 to 10x potential over the next 5 years. But guys, these are basically gonna be the 5 stocks that I'm extremely bullish on, that I believe will all grow, that I'm buying throughout the month of October. Now I am gonna go ahead and leave it at that for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I like to go ahead and be fully transparent, share with you guys basically all the different investments that I'm making, how my investments are doing, and the different stocks that I'm buying every single month on this channel. If you like all of that and you like anything to do with making passive income, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And guys, all I ask in return for all the work that goes into these videos is, if you don't mind, smashing that like button, as it really gets this video in front of more people, and the YouTube algorithm seems to love that like button. But thanks again guys for watching. If you are interested in investing, I will leave a couple links down below for Coinbase or for M1 Finance, which is the investing app that I go ahead and use to trade in the stocks, and Coinbase is a platform for cryptocurrency if you're interested in investing in crypto. But thank you again guys for watching this video. Until next time, I will see you guys at the next one.